Hi, good morning everyone. This is Farming with Tyron and Karen. Welcome back to Grace Forest Farm. Today is a very special day for us dahil magsisimula tayo ng panibagong farming venture dito sa ating farm. What you're seeing is this video is the groundbreaking and start of our onion farming project. Kung matagal na kayong sumusubaybay sa aming channel, alam nyo na marami na tayong pinagdaanan dito sa Grace Forest Farm. Nagsimula tayo sa mga high value crops, vegetables like lettuce, and then Carolina Reapers, and then bananas, papaya, and many other crops. We invested heavily in greenhouses because we wanted to produce high quality vegetables all year round. And for a while, maganda ang takbo ng mga projects natin. Pero bilang mga magsasaka sa Pilipinas, alam natin na hindi natin kontrolado ang panahon. Over the years, ilang beses tayong sinalanta ng bagyo. Sira ang mga tanim, sira ang mga facilities, at minsan, nakakadurog-durog talaga ng puso makita ang pinaghirapan mong mawala sa loob lamang ng ilang oras. Then came Typhoon Uwan. Isa ito sa pinakamalaking challenges na hinarap namin sa Grace Forest Farm. Most of our greenhouses were destroyed. Ang lettuce operation natin, ang Carolina Reaper production at iba pang projects ay malaking naapektuhan. At the moment, we had two choices. Pwede tayong sumuko o pwede tayong bumangon at mag-adjust. And that's exactly what we did. Instead of rebuilding everything the same way, pinag-isipan namin kung ano ang mga agricultural projects na mas bagay sa kondisyon ng ating farm at mas kayang harapin ang mga challenges na dala ng malalakas na bagyo. Kaya ngayon, ang focus natin ay nasa mga projects na mas sustainable at mas resilient. We have our clean and happy pigs. From start to finish, kami yung nag-breed, kami yung nagpapalaki, slaughter, and then processing. And then we have our 1,000 calamansi trees, yung aming calamansi plantation, yung aming 12,000 pineapple trees sa aming pineapple fields. And then of course, nandyan yung aming gold mine, which is our crayfish project, still ongoing after 2.5 years. Then meron din kami mga langka, kape, and now we're adding onions to the Grace Forest Farm family. Maraming nagtatanong, bakit onions? Simple lang. Onions are one of the most important ingredients in every Filipino kitchen. Halos lahat ng niluluto natin may sibuyas. Adobo, sinigang, menudo, apritada, pansit, kung ano-ano pa. So, at kung minsan, kahit simpleng, pritong itlog, hindi kompleto kung walang sibuyas. Napakalaki ng demand nito at isa ito sa mga crops na gusto naming pag-aralan at subukan dito sa farm. So today, sisimulan natin ang journey na ito. For those interested in onion farming, let me share the first steps. The first thing we need is a sustainable or suitable area. Kailangan maganda ang drainage ng lupa dahil ayaw ng sibuyas na nakatayo ang tubig. Kapag laging basa ang lupa, mas mataas ang chances ng disease at crop failure. After selecting the area, we prepare the land. Nililinis natin ang damo at mga unwanted weeds. Then we loosen the soil para maging maganda ang environment para sa ugat ng onion seedlings. Kapag maayos ang soil preparation, mas malaki ang chance ng magandang harvest. Next, we prepare the seed beds. Dito muna natin palalakihin ang mga onion seedlings bago sila ilipat sa kanilang permanent growing area. Once ready na ang mga seedbed, saka natin itatanim ang onion seeds. Napakaliit ng onion seeds kaya kailangan maingat ang pagtatanim. The seeds are spread evenly then lightly covered with soil. Hindi dapat masyadong malalim dahil baka mahirapan silang tumubo. After planting comes watering. Napakahalaga ng moisture sa stage na ito. The soil must remain moist but not flooded. Kumbaga, sapat lang para mabuhay at tumubo ang seeds. Then comes one of the hardest part in farming, waiting. Wala namang instant sa farming. Hindi pwede magtanim ngayon at umani bukas. Kailangan ng tiyaga, kailangan ng pasensya, kailangan ng faith. Araw-araw, babalikan natin ang seed beds, titignan natin kung may tumutubo na, tignan natin kung sapat na ang tubig. Titignan natin kung may mga pests o problems. And slowly, little by little, lalabas na ang unang dahon. Those tiny green seedlings may not look like as much today, but someday they will become mature onions ready to harvest. And that's what I love about farming. Every harvest starts small, every success starts small, every dream starts small. Minsan isang boto lang, minsan isang idea lang, minsan isang simpleng desisyon na magsimula ulit pagkatapos ng isang malaking setback. As I stand here today, watching the project begin, hindi ko may iwasang balikan ang mga pinagdaanan natin sa Grace Forest Farm. Maraming beses tayong nadapa, maraming beses tayong nalugi, maraming beses tayong naapektuhan ng bagyo, pero sa bawat challenge, may natutunan tayo. Sa bawat setback, mas naging matatag tayo. At sa bawat pagsubok, mas lumalim ang ating pananampalataya. Kaya itong onion project na ito is not just about growing onions. It's about moving forward. It's about adapting. It's about believing that tomorrow can be better than today. At habang itinatanim natin ang mga butong ito, nagtatanim din tayo ng bagong pag-asa para sa Grace Forest Farm. New opportunities, new lessons, new blessings, and hopefully, a beautiful harvest in months ahead. To everyone who continues to support Farming with Tyron and Karen and Grace Forest Farm and Clean and Happy Pigs, maraming salamat. Thank you for joining us in our victories, our struggles, and our dreams. We hope you'll continue to follow this onion farming journey from seed to harvest. Always remember, farmers are heroes. We love you all.